there, my name is Dr. Marissa May. In this video, we're going to be graphing the inequality x is greater than or equal to -1. On the coordinate plane, I'll be using the Desmos graphing calculator, but I do need to tell you, I am a teacher here in Texas, and my students have to use the Desmos Texas version to prepare for their standardized test. So I will be using that version. I'll be sure and link it down below. If you are a student here in Texas, I would encourage you to bookmark the site because it is going to be the one you're using when you take your STAAR test. So let's take a look. All right, so when we get to the Desmos Texas version, you'll notice if I type in x is less than or equal to -1, that I get this triangle error, okay? And that just means that Desmos is not going to do what you want it to do. Desmos in this version, because it's a testing version, does not graph inequalities. So what we do is we have to trick it to do a little bit of the work, and then we supply the rest. So we're going to change this less than or equal to just an equal to. That will force Desmos to graph the line for us. And you'll notice it graphed x equals -1. Now, remember that our inequality was x is less than or equal to -1. So x is less than or equal to -1. We have to decide, is it a solid or a dashed line? So remember, if you have the equal to underneath it, that is a solid line. If you have the less than or the greater than, no equal to underneath it, that's a dashed line. So ours has the equal to underneath that, so we want the solid line. This line is going to be just right for us. Now we have to decide, do we shade to the left or the right? And this is where I pay attention to the less than part. So if x is less than -1, that's going to be the left. And then I would shade this side of that line. Okay. So again, this is key because you want Desmos to do the graphing. That means you have to change it to an equal sign so that it'll graph it. Then you decide solid or dashed, and you decide which side of the line to shade. I hope this helps you. Bye-bye.